What'd you find up there?
A lot of honey.
Really?
I might need to go on the roof and cut this from the roof. Might be better. Yeah, there's a solid amount of old, nice honey right there.
There we go. Whoa. So that one was kind of hard to get to.
A little tricky. You got this double little ceiling thing here.
They know what they're doing for protecting their investment there. I'm getting bombed. They're hitting the mask like hardcore. You're a contracting guy, so normally you said you're doing jobs where you're preserving the structure. That's your specialty, is
Yep.
not breaking anything.
Exactly. Today is a freebie. This house is getting demolition.
Full-on self-defense mode. I don't know if the camera can pick up how hard they're hitting the mask. They're like hitting the mask full on, like someone's punching it. Pop, pop. Like kamikaze pilots.
Oh my god, we gotta come back with more honey preparation. There's so much honey in here.
Hold it there 1 sec. Nice. Whoa.
Do you realize how much honey is in there? No. This is all honey here.
Whoa.
All the dark stuff over there is the brood, and all this is honey.
Whoa.
This is... There's probably over 100 pounds of comb in here, easy.
Really?
Honeycomb.
You think this is only half?
Yeah, there's more up there to come.
Dude, it looks insane up there, man. It looks like just like an alien
This
civilization.
Living in here had this living in their house with them.
Wait, what did?
Whoever was living in here had this living with them.
Really?
Yeah, for sure. This thing is a couple years old.
Wow.
Holy smokes, they're getting fired up the more I sit here. I'll bring you out a photo in a sec. Alright, there she is. I love your camera.
Dude, I did not like it.
Yeah, it's the biggest one I've had in a while. I've only had a couple this big. This has got so much honey. We're gonna have to get the vacuum and come back prepared for all this honey as well. We need more. I only bought 3 5-gallon buckets. That'll fill that up so quick.
So the white comb up there is...
Yeah, so if you see here, the different aged combs show the age. That white comb is cosmetic grade beeswax, what they want for lip balms and face lotions and all that other stuff they do with it. And then you can see the yellow comb is a bit older, and then over there in the beginning, where most of the bees are, the dark comb is definitely a couple years old. It's brown at this point.
Alright, so you gotta tell me what this thing is here.
It's my bee vac. It's a shop vac beehive conversion.
So tell me, this vac, it's gonna kill them or not?
No, just gonna put them into this hive right here, and then later we'll reunite the bees with the rest of the hive.
Nice. So you've got this set up so that they go directly in the box.
Yep.
Okay, so what are you going to do now? You're going to cut the comb down.
Yeah, we're going to start to cut the comb out and start with the honey, work our way into the brood, and transfer whatever brood or babies are movable, and hunt down that queen in the process.
Because the whole hive will follow the one queen.
Yep, the whole hive follows the queen's pheromones. First piece.
Whoa. Let me see that thing. You already got it. Hold that right there for 1 second.
Yes.
Whoa. It's dripping down your fingers. And we were talking about some like vegan people saying, no, that's the bee's honey, but this is way overproduction, right?
Yeah, this is surplus for sure. It's a different story when you're in the tropics.
Why is that?
They can feed on things year-round here. We don't have a winter like the mainland, where you guys gotta be careful how much your bees are left with before winter starts.
Whoa, dude.
Look how thick that thing is right here. From here to here, it's so thick.
Wow. That's an insane piece there. It's just dripping out of there.
Honey showers. Unavoidable. This is going to be more of a 6-hour removal than a 4-hour removal for sure.
Wow. So you're still gonna eat this stuff, or no?
That is going to be fed back to bees in the yard.
I see. Okay, cool. What are you thinking about right now? Just the logistics of...
Kind of wanting to take this block of wood out so I can come cutting at an angle. Could be worth it, I think. Might be a little extra work, but I think it'll be worth it. I'm going to make such a mess trying to squeeze all that comb out to get started. Like what you buy in the store, right?
That's
Little square. Like
way
that.
better than the store. Wait, hold that guy right there. That's crazy. Wow. Pretty amazing. You're all excited.
This honey's good.
You went from thinking this was going to be just like a, not even a full hive to...
Yeah, it was strange. When we opened up that first section, it looked like it could just be a dwindling little old hive in this rotten building, and then it was strange how this thing was constructed. It looks like there was this roof that was built on top of this roof as like a little porch. So it was actually hidden up in this little secondary section of roofing.
And you could tell that they were really passionately defending something.
For sure. There's a lot of work they put into all this. White wax, it's just...
Dude, you gotta flip that one around. It's so thick. Let's see the side profile. Oh my gosh. This is not like a daily occurrence for you. This is not...
No, it's getting late season now for swarm calls, but a lot of the times I get calls, they're just for swarms, for new hives. The first couple of years I was doing it, I got a lot of older hives like this. But it seemed after a couple of years of doing it, I cleared them all out. But this is a call that I just got the other day.
Wow.
And, hadn't had one this size in a while.
And I don't know if you want this on camera or not, but so they pay you and you get all this honey.
Yep. It's a
Dude.
win-win.
Win-win for you.
Yeah, so I'll take this honey and bring it back to the family and to the community and trade for stuff and share and just psych everybody out.
And you're pretty compassionate vegan guy, so you give a lot back to the bees.
Yeah, so we'll feed the hive that we're removing right now more than enough honey that they need to be fine. And then all this extra comb that's a little bit messy or hits the ground or anything, we'll take back out to the bee yard and just put it out on a nice day and let all the bees just free for all on it. So it'll all end up back in one of the hives either way. It's just like, they don't get, especially when they're cutting out like this right now, they're like, you're able to pull, like, these are perfect, throw in a Ziploc and give to someone, right, you know? It's gorgeous.
Oh my gosh.
One friend has the funniest story. He told me I was dying laughing. In San Diego, him and my other friend that I knew, they're in wetsuits and stuff.